Hello, this is Melissa Hennig here with melissahennig.com, and I'm here making a California Poppy, a Scolzia californica tincture, and I thought I would throw on the video and show you how to do it. This is a whole plant tincture, so I'm going to use the root, the stems, the leaves, and the flowers. And what I do is pick it fresh, and then I just dust off the dirt like this. I don't wash anything. And then I cut it up into small little pieces right into my jar. So I just go like this, get the root in there, and then keep going. Get the stems in there, kind of move your hands down a little bit. Get the flowers in there. The California Poppy is really good for a nervous insomnia. When you can't sleep, this helps calm the whole central nervous system and also turns off the chatter in the brain, gently relaxing the body. It's a mild sedative, so it's really nice for falling asleep and staying asleep. And it's also really helpful for any pain in the body. For pain when you have insomnia, when you have joint pain, tooth pain, headaches. This can also be taken as a general anti-anxiety during the day. So at night, when you're falling asleep, you would do 2 big dropperfuls. But during the day, just to ease any kind of general anxiety, you would just start with drops. Well, here's what I'm doing next. I take the jar and I want to still cut this as small as possible because I really want to get as much plant material in here. You want to pack this really, really tight. So I'm going to keep packing it all the way till I get packed to the top because the fresh plant material has some water in it. So, and I love an organic, gluten-free, grain-free vodka, and that has some water. So we want to really pack the plant material. So you just go in and keep cutting it as small as you can, and you can see it's even gone down in the jar as I'm doing that. So I'm going to keep going, but what you're going to do is pack it as tight as you can, pour your menstruum over it, your alcohol, and cap it and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks. And you can shake it every day, keep the herb, push it under the alcohol. You can put it in a dark place or on a little seed heating pad. Sometimes if the house is cold, I like to put them on a little, it's a seed heating pad that you would put starter seeds on. And then you strain it. You strain it through an organic cotton cheesecloth or muslin cloth, and then you bottle it up and you've got your sleepy time California Poppy tincture. All right, let me know if you've made this before, if you love California Poppy. It is illegal to harvest these California Poppies in California because it's their state flower and you could get a $1,500 fine for that. But I actually harvest these right here in Arizona. So actually the best thing to do is grow this plant. This is an awesome garden plant as well.